Line graphs can be used to show how something changes over time. Line graphs are good for plotting data that has peaks or ups and valleys or downs that are collected in a short period of time. So this line graph, we're looking at daily temperatures, and this is the daily high temperature for Gotham City in the month of January. They were recorded and graphed, and we're going to use the graph to answer the questions. So on the left-hand side, it looks like I'm going up by threes, and I'm in Celsius degrees, and then across the bottom I have January's dates, and here they've counted by 7, 14, 21, and then each of these lines would be like January the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and so on. So my first question says, what was the high temperature in Gotham City on January the 10th? So I'm here to January the 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, and I'm going to go all the way up. And if I carried that line over, I would be at about 11. So it would be 11 degrees Celsius. The next question says, on which 2 days was Gotham City's high temperature 7 degrees? Well, I need to find my 7 degrees first. So I'm over here at 3, 6, 7 is going to be about right here. So I'm going to go straight over. Well, there's one dot. And if I came down, this would be, let's see, this is the 7th, 6, 5, 4. So one of those dates would be the 4th. And then the other date, I need to go back to my 7 degrees. There was that one. And I'm going to go over, almost, to this one and come down. Well, this was 28, 29, the 30th. So January the 30th were my 2 dates, 4th and the 30th. All right. Question number 3 says, on which day did Gotham City have the highest temperature? Well, that one's easy to find because I want to find the dot that is the highest on the graph, and that would be this dot. And if I follow it down, I'm right to this line. And I can either start with the 14 or the 21. And I would start with the 14. I would count up to the 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th. This would be the 18th. Was the highest temperature for the month. And my next question, on which 3 days, so I've got to get 3 dates, did Gotham City have the lowest temperature? Well, in this case, I need the lowest dot. And this is obviously the lowest. It's at 0 degrees. There's a dot, and there's a dot, and there's a dot. And this would represent, well, if this is 0, this would be 1, 2, 3. So the first day was on the 3rd. And then the next one was on the 7th. And that last one, here's 21, 22, 23, 24th. And those were my 3 days.